The windows rattle when Kharak Singh knocks. You must have heard this proverb since childhood, but you may not know the story behind it. Kharak Singh was the maternal uncle of the Maharaja of Patiala, the most influential landlord of Patiala and the village panchayat Sarpanch. One day, fed up with his affairs, he went to his nephew and said that the seat of the city's sessions judge was vacant. Get me a judge. In those days, the British viceroy used to order any sessions judge. After getting a leave from his nephew, Kharak Singh went to the viceroy. The viceroy read the letter. Viceroy. Name, Kharak Singh. Viceroy. Education, Kharak Singh. Do you want to bring a judge or a schoolmaster? The viceroy laughed and said, Sardar, have you received any education in law? How will you distinguish between good and bad? Kharak Singh stroked his mustache and said, That's all. Why do you carry the burden of books like donkeys for so much work? I have been making decisions for the panchayat for years. I can tell the difference between good and bad at a glance. The viceroy thought, who is confused with the Maharaja? Those who have recommended him should go and see him. His uncle signed the petition and Kharak Singh issued the order of justice. Now Kharak Singh returned to Patiala, and the next day he arrived in the courtroom as a judge. Coincidentally, the first case was of murder. There were four accused on one side of the dock and a crying woman on the other. Before sitting on the chair, the Justice Saab looked at the parties carefully and understood the matter. A police officer came with some papers and said, My lord, this woman is a Krantikor. It is alleged that these four people have killed her husband. Justice Kharak Singh asked the woman for details. The woman said, the one on the right had a spear in his hand, the one on the left had a spear, and the other two had a sickle in their hands. These four came out of the hail of arrows and beat Qasim to death. Justice Kharak Singh looked at the four angrily and asked, Why did you kill the servant, you rascals? The servant standing on the right said, No, sir, I had several in my hand. The other said, I didn't have a sickle in my hand either. We had only gone to talk, and we had only explained our purpose. Kharak Singh angrily said, Whoever it is, the servant is dead, right? Then he picked up the pen and started writing something. When suddenly a man wearing a black coat stood up and said, My lord, wait. This case is very complicated. This was a plot of land. The land on which it happened also belongs to the accused. Why did the deceased go there? Justice Kharak Singh asked the police officer, Who is this man in the black coat? Sir, he is the lawyer of these four, the policeman replied. So they have a servant who is speaking on their behalf. Then Kharak Singh asked the defense lawyer to stand with the four of them. Then he wrote a one-line verdict and signed. The verdict said the four murderers and their lawyer should be hanged tomorrow morning. There was a stir in Patiala. Everyone started trembling at the name of Kharak Singh. That Kharak Singh hangs their lawyers along with the criminals. Suddenly the crime rate became zero. No lawyer would take up the case of any criminal. As long as Kharak Singh was the Patiala judge, there was great peace in the state. People from neighboring states would bring their cases to Kharak Singh's court and get immediate justice. There is a deep lesson in this incident for the educated judges of today that if justice is immediate and their lawyers start getting punished along with the criminals, then the crime rate in the country will become zero.